Hey GR86 owners, spacers sit between the hub and the wheels, reducing the distance between the wheel center and the hub. They cancel out the offset. A 20mm spacer equals a minus 20mm offset, which makes the wheels stick out more, widening your tires. Use proper GR86 spacers to adjust the offset. Quality spacers and proper installation make them as safe as low offset wheels. Here's how to install them safely. Top 5 pro tips for safely installing GR86 wheel spacers. 1. Clean the hubs. Don't skin cleaning the hubs. Rust or improper torque can cause problems. Keep the hubs clean and smooth before installing. 2. Use jack and jack stand. Once the car is securely on stands, you can then safely remove the wheel and hub assembly to install the spacers. 3. Proper torque. For the GR86, the reference torque is 130 Nm. Use a torque wrench to tighten the nut in a star pattern for a solid and safe connection. 4. Check for tire rubbing. After installation, park on flat ground. Turn the wheel to full locky and check for rubbing against the wheel well. No contact, you are good to go. 5. Retorque spacers. Retorque after 50 to 100 miles. Check the lug nut regularly for tightness. Safety first. What are the best GR86 wheel spacers for sale? High-end spacers use top-tier materials, like BONOSS Forge FT cooling ones. Made with precision gear and multiple safety tests, they stand out for FT cooling for safe upgrades. BONOSS Toyota GR86 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to improve brake cooling, distributed in a petal shape. These grooves allow the outside cold air to continuously flow inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air removes the heat, thus achieving the purpose of FT heat dissipation for the brake system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Toyota wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which greatly increase the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Stronger fasteners for improved safety. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS GR86 wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM 440 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. The matching lug nuts have achieved ISO grade 10. With higher strength, your GR86 wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. SGS TÜV test for guaranteed safety. BONOSS has over 75 SGS TÜV certifications reports. Precision made and strictly tested, safe and legal for GR86. BONOSS spacers provide strong fasteners, cooling, and certified safety. They meet top standards for style and handling. They are worth it for your GR86. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.